Holiday season is around the corner, and that means a lot of e-commerce sites will be soon announcing their Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas sale. If you are lucky or fast, then you can definitely pick up the product that you are waiting for on discount. But being a developer and web scraper, I don't need to depend on luck or speed for that matter. I can use my web scraping skills and Zyte API to get the best deal possible. And that is exactly what we will be building in today's video using Python and Zyte API to build a deal tracker that not only tracks the product that you want to buy from your wish list, but also sends you a push notification on your phone with the product URL when the price goes down, so you can buy it right then and there without missing on the deal. So let's go. Hi, my name is Zayan. I'm developer advocate here at Zyte. Now let me showcase you my weekend project, the Zyte Deal Tracker. Alright, this is a sample e-commerce website that we have created to showcase you how we can use Zyte API to scrape this. And I want to track the price of this particular product, the Alpine Peak jacket for kids. Currently it's at $159, but I want to be notified whenever it goes, let's say below 20% or 50%. So I'll showcase you how we can do that. But yeah, this is a sample site, and similarly you can scrape any website, any product that you want. Let me also quickly walk you through the entire code. Very straightforward, very simple. You can build it over a weekend, nothing really fancy over here. So the first thing that we are doing is we are defining the product that we want to track. Just copy pasted the URL from here, and I want to also set the desired price. So desired price I have set for 100. No need to set the currency, but you can also do that. I'm going to show you how. So currently this is at $159. I want whenever this price goes equal or below $100, then I want to get notified, and I'm going to show you how we can do that. So the first thing that we are doing is loading the environment variables using this function. And environment variables, you need to create .env file, and you need to keep your Zyte API key, which you can get by logging into Zyte, and then the IFTTT key and IFTTT event name. I'm going to talk how you can get that in a minute. It's also available in the blog post, so again, link in the description below if you want to check it out. But yeah, we are just loading this as environment variables, so Zyte API can make the calls. And yeah, that's what we are doing over here. We are just assigning these variables, and we are fetching the Zyte API key, the event name, and IFTTT API key from the environment. Small error handling happening over here. If the API key is not available for some reason, if your environment file is missing or it's not the right naming convention, then it will just exit it out. So make sure that you have .env file before loading this environment. Next is a small function which is going to be triggering the notification. I will talk about this later, but first let's see how the Zyte API is fetching the product price, because that's where the most interesting thing happen. So this is where we are making the client call to the Zyte. We are creating a client, and then we are making a Zyte API call using the API key, of course. And the interesting thing to look over here is we are passing this parameter. The number one parameter we are passing is the URL, which is again the product URL that we want to track. And the second thing that we're passing is product equal to true. Now what's happening in the background is this is telling the Zyte API that the page that we want to scrape has a product, and the Zyte machine learning engine will automatically look at this page and fetches the price, the SKUs, the product name, the quantity, everything relevant information related to any e-commerce product. It will fetch and it will make it available for you. And that's the magic of auto extract, a machine learning powered Zyte API call. You don't need to do any fiddling with the HTML pages. You don't need to select any CSS selector. Everything will be done automatically. So that's the beauty, and that's why Zyte API makes it really, really easy to scrape such products and get the pricing. So we are saving the response from the API call in this. The payload will be saved over here, and then we are just doing what we want. So we need the price of the product, and then you can do this product.get price, and you will get the price over here. Similarly, you can do SKUs, you can do quantity, you can do name of the product. Everything will be in the response call. And what things that you can get, you can check the documentation. I'm also gonna link it into the description below. So here you can see, you can get the name of the product, the price, even the currency. So yes, if you want to have a different currency, then you can first fetch the currency and then do some conversion. You can add some logic. Currency raw, this is like you don't get the dollar, you also get the USD, the dollar sign and the USD. And then you can see the availability, in stock, the SKU number, a lot of different things that a usual e-commerce product has. Then you can all get it with just single call. The important thing is you mark the product equal to true when you are doing the API request, and everything will be handled by the Zyte API in the backend. Now it's very simple and straightforward. Now we have the product price. We just have to compare it with the desired price. And if the desired price has reached equal to or below what we want, then we want to trigger the IFTTT event. And if not, then we need to keep continuing. You can run it as a cron job, so it can run every 10-20 minutes, every 1 hour, 2 hours, something like that. You can run it in the background. You can also add a loop over here, so you can run it every 5 minutes or whatever you want. It's totally up to you. It's a script, then you can definitely do whatever you want with it. Now the function that I want to talk about is the IFTTT function. So IFTTT is a no code automation service. So what it does, it works on a principle of if this then that, and that's literally its full form. So what's exactly it's doing is we have connected two different services of IFTTT. The first service is where we are making API call to the IFTTT, and we are saying that whenever you get an API call with a payload, and the payload over here is the URL of the product, then we want to send a trigger notification. So if this then that. So if API call comes, then send a mobile notification. So on your phone you need to have an IFTTT mobile application installed, and when the API call is triggered, you will get the notification on your phone itself, where you can just click on the product page and just buy it. So the deal is still there, and you will be the first one to be informed. It doesn't get out of stock. It doesn't, you don't miss it. Basically, that's the overall idea. So how to create the IFTTT applet? It's pretty straightforward. You need to first download the IFTTT application, and I'm also gonna link my blog in the description below. So every step is mentioned over there. So yes, download the IFTTT application. It's available on iOS. It's available on Android. Then you need to create a new applet. So the way it works is if this then that. So in the if part we need to choose the webhook service, and then you need to just give up event name. So over here I have given it price drop. You can give it any event name, but make sure it matches the environment variable over here. The same name have to be there, otherwise it will not work. So that's all you need to check. In the then notification, you have to select that trigger a notification with the JSON payload. So that's what you need to select. Everything is mentioned in my blog. Now when you do that, you will get an API key from IFTTT, and that API key again you need to put in your environment variable file, and that's it. So essentially the logic is if the price goes below your desired price, then it will trigger a notification and it will send the URL as a payload. So that's the URL that we are sending as a payload, and whenever you get the notification, you can just click the URL and you can just purchase the product that you're tracking. So that's simple and straightforward. And yeah, that's where the API call is happening. So currently the product is at $159, as you can see, and I want to get notification when my desired price reach 100. So it will not trigger the notification if I run this file. So let's check it out, but it will definitely show me the current price as you can see in just a minute, because it's gonna be crawling it. So you can see the price is $159, and I haven't get any notification. I haven't got it because again, it's not my desired price. I cannot change the price over here. This website is not controlled by me, but what I can show you is if I do the desired price 200. So now my desired price is 200 and the product price is 159. So I will be getting a notification. So if I run it over again, let me also turn on the screen recording on my phone so I can show you how the notification looks. So if I just run it over here again, then you will see that the new price, the old price will be displayed, but the notification will also be triggered. So you can see notification triggered, and yes, anytime now I have got the notification on my phone. You can see over here, and if I just click it, then it will just take me to the website, and then I can just make the purchase. So that's how simple it is, and everything is working super fine. So you can just clone this project from my GitHub. The link will again in the description below. And what you can do is you can change the product URL over here, and then you can change the desired price, and you can use it to track any product. You can run it as a cron job, so it runs every hour, it runs every 5 hours, once a day, whatever you want. But yeah, that's the power of Zyte API, especially the auto extract feature. I really wanted to highlight that. And just if you want to get any more details, you can read the documentation over here. Here we have name of the product, price, currency, regular price, availability, SKUs. So you just have to pass this product equal to true in the API call that you are making to the Zyte. and everything else will be handled by the Zyte. Very straightforward, very simple, and yeah, this product equal to true. That's the power of the machine learning engine that the Zyte API is running in the backend, and it makes job really simple. No CSS selector, no HTML, anything that you want to do manually. So again, I'm still very new to the world of web scraping, but I managed to put this project together in less than 2 days, and that's the power of Zyte API which I wanted to showcase you. And especially in the holiday season, it's a great use to track the product that you want and get the best deal possible. In the past, I have used different Telegram bots, different Chrome extension, but to be honest, nothing really works. And the satisfaction of getting the notification on your phone with the script that you have made, it's quite phenomenal. So I highly encourage you to test out this project, and let me know if you have any questions. You can drop in our Discord channel to get any support related to web scraping and Zyte API. The link will be again in the description below, and again, every link including the documentation, the blog, the sample product URL, and also the GitHub will again in the description below. So do share your feedbacks in the Discord channel or in the comment section below, and I look forward to see you again. Happy holidays. Hope you get the best deal possible, and I see you in the next one.